go. Rock and roll. Just be jamming. Thanks everybody for supporting me, and I'm just gonna jam. I'm trying to protect my peace right now, so instead of being on top of the motorcycle shop, I'm in it. Jamming a little music because it's too snowy and cold to be outside, which really fucking sucks. You know, you'll have that sometimes. So, hello everybody that's here. Please support my channel. Thanks for coming in and seeing me. I can't see who it is, I ain't got my glasses on, so that's cool. Every little mustard seed counts. I think I'll play Forget Me Not. It's the first song I wrote for my kids. I'm gonna try to get the word it. The others, they could not. Gray and purple's all they got. When the cold sets in, it doesn't end. Springtime comes, planted with revenge. I just wanna know, did you make it, did you grow to the seedlings that I sown, planted so neatly, right in a row, maybe in a garden or a farmer's row. I wonder if you look like me, with the roots washed out from underneath your feet, tied up around your waist, so you can keep that doggone pace. Cause I'm a forget-me-not. I don't know if you know me or not. We bloom blue flowers every December. We all vibrate. Do you remember that? The others, they could not. Did you make it? Did you grow? Was your life cut short with a pretty noose called a bow in some fancy bar somewhere? discarded, discarded without any care. Did you find your love in a fallen grove? Maybe in a pot, or maybe you didn't get to grow. Blah, 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 blah. So that's like the gist of that song. I ain't never supposed to be singing my songs, but I keep trying. Couldn't play guitar either. Keep trying. Climb that cringe mountain. Like, fuck it if you can't sing. I could write the fucking lyrics, and I got that far on it. In 2.5 years or so. Doing alright, I figure. Somebody else probably could sing it a lot better, but they won't sing it with as much emotion as I do. Like, you know. Tom Petty didn't want to sing his songs. He was a songwriter. Willie Nelson didn't want to sing his songs either. Knew he sucked. He was a songwriter too. There's a big difference between a songwriter and a musician. Musicians are all about looks and rock and roll and good and cool and like doing gigs. And a songwriter's about the music in the song. Very different personalities you got there, so not to be mistaken. That's your music doodah for the day. 101. Hey, you know. What should I play next? Maybe I'll play Unknown. I'm going to play a song called The Unknown. It's a jig song. It's one of my first songs, too, that I wrote. It's about a magical place over by the river out this way. It's been a while since I played it. Children are so sweet, like ducks in a line. They remind me of mine long ago. Could you just point me in the direction? I'm all off here, sorry guys. Could you just point me in the direction that I need to go to the unknown? Cause there's stories, oh there's stories like the road. Just ain't no damn good, man. Stories ain't no good when they're full of and legends, they never die and they won't grow. Even when people don't know, man, the unknown. But hell, them stories still get told. Them stories still get told. Man, I'm not just a nobody, hell no. I'm an unknown. Cause that story's like the road. It ain't no damn good, man. Story's no good when it's tattered haven't really called my own. I fucked that song up pretty good. I only write them, I mean, why should I be able to play them? Pretty decent. Sorry about your ears there. It might hurt a little bit, but you know, hey, we're authentic around these parts here. You get it raw and unfiltered. One of these days, you're gonna hear it on the radio, and you're gonna say, "I know who that girl is," and I donated to her Instagram channel, so she's like, she likes me. I'm on her list of like likable people that aren't total cockslingers, cum guzzling assholes. They hang out with Joe Biden like the devil. Like, fuck that asshole. He hangs out with Joe. They'd be 69 and all day long, because them bitches up in the hell there, man, they ugly, man. That's why he goes both ways, you know? I mean, ugly women up there in hell. You think the bitchy women up here in the earth are bad, man. You should see them hella bitches. Be scary. Scarier than my singing scary. Trust me on that. You'll have to take my word on it. The song's called Rules Stink. I wanted to write a song for the horses and deer. This is what it ended up being. Because they're big fans of mine. I attract them in. By the droves, I attract them in. Move over horses with your sideways glances and your U-turn shoes. To the right you got the black shoe. To the left well there's me and you. So I jumped right in your canoe. Who would have guessed and who would have ever knew that I'd be stuck like glue to you and me. 'Cause my biggest fans were a petting zoo. There were horses and chickens and cows and some snapping turtles too. And of course, baby, well, there's always been you and me. I know they sent their best man, but they didn't know that, or that you couldn't swim, but I did, so I jumped right in your canoe. Who would have guessed and who would have ever knew? But hell, at least they can't take me out now without taking you too. Who would have guessed and who would have knew? My biggest fans were the petting zoo. You can move over, dears, 'cause I know you've been wishing. What do I got to say? Should've took me fishing or something like that. 'Cause you're always coming in hot on your hooves. Now, Mr. Horse, you're doing circles in My biggest fans were the petting zoo, the horses and goats and snapping turtles, a cat or two, and a dog and a baby. I don't mean you, but there's me. So move over horses with them sideways glances, and then you turn. Shoot, my fingers are killing me. Now it's the paparazzi and the man, the stalker or two, and I reckon the whole damn clan. At the end of the day, though, are still with me. At the end of the day, Mr. Horse, I hate to say, you'll just be put out to pasture like you are right now and turned to glue. Who knew? Sticky situations, you're always bringing me in. Who's in here? Hey guys, thanks for coming in and supporting my channel. You could always, if you feel the urge to sow into my ministry here, you can always do that at Cash App, Angel of Authenticity, pretty much on every social media platform. If you want to help me out like that, that's awesome. If not, that's awesome too. Just hit the like button and the subscribe button though, that does help me out a little bit. It shows my worth to YouTube, because YouTube don't think that you're worth much unless you watch videos all the way through and you do all that crap. So like, whether you find value in me or not, they won't unless they see that. And I'm trying to make passive income in many streams of it, so I can ride my freaking motorcycle, play my guitar, and do what I want. Like, that's a good plan. I can ride my motorcycle, play guitar, passive income. You know? From all the naysayers trolling your account or whatever, you know. But if you like it and share it and subscribe it, I'll be able to go live right on YouTube, and that'll save me a lot of hassle of like cross posting and platforming and doodads. Just a lot of hassle. It's like a lot of time. You might as well just go to an office all day. It might be better. You won't have to hide yourself in a shop sometimes to get quiet, you know. It's just one of them things. So. Okay, what am I gonna play now? I think I'll play Skin Song. It's called I Ain't Got No Clue. The Skin Song. Chew. He went skinny, man, 'cause he couldn't eat no more food. And he told stories, man, they were 10 foot too. To everyone's disbelief. Oh, they were disbelieved, alright. Fish he was catching were 10 foot 3. shit, freaking out. So he looked at me one day, he said, "Hey, you girl." I said, "Who, me?" He said, "Yeah, don't mean you. What do you want to do?" And it took me 10 billion words to say, "Hell, I don't know. Can't I do it all? What do I gotta choose? That seems unfair and all." He just grinned. The funny thing is, when you ain't got no clue, you wear shoe size from 0 to 22. And hats and bags to match and this, you're gonna need to match all that. Oh yeah, you need it. That's why it's there, so don't lose it. Gonna need it for along the way. That's what they really should say. You learn to be your own entourage. Finding yourself at them crossroads, you will. More than once. Why, that's about the time you'll be real glad. It's just you and God. At least he said that's what his name was. Holding hands and singing Kumbaya, smoking a tube, and I said, "Jesus, well, what are you gonna say this?" It'll shock the fuck out of you too. He said, "You'll be a little bit of country, man, and a little bit of soul, and a little bit of punk. Rock and roll. After all, girl, that was what was in your soul when we got you a while ago." I thought, well, I wonder how he knew about that. But moving on. A little bit of bluegrass, 'cause them guys, they're so damn cool. With their shit-eating grins on their faces, just like we had back in the day. Don't forget to pack your crazy hair. Gonna need it for all them strange ass characters you'll meet out there. And believe it or not, and you won't ever, a little bit of polka too. And you never knew you liked it until you tried it out. It'd be like this. Sitting there with pants on, 2 sizes for big. They're 2 sizes too big for you, and they knew that shit when they gave them. Just waiting and watching to see what you'll do. Just do like I did. Do like I do. Cut them open. Make 2 pair. Oh, they'll say no fair. If you're sitting there, nothing's right, and all you got is left, and just nothing's right. And all you got is left, so if all you got is left, then nothing can be right. Just do like I do. Take the shoes off and run. It didn't fit you anyway. Funny thing is, when you ain't got no clue, you wear them shoes size from 0 to 22. Don't forget to cut that crazy ass hair. That way you'll blend in catch you in a 10-foot tree. So what are you going to do if you got a fat man staring you down at about the age of 22? Best advice I have is don't do like I do. Maybe just say it in a word or two. They might hear you better. Till next time, instead of on top, we're in the motorcycle shop today. You're a rebel without a devil, angel of authenticity. I'll see you next time. We'll make some noise and be hideous and ludicrous together. I always look forward to it. So, peace. If I can figure out how to shut it off. Hello. Tech support. Hello. I'm boss. Hello. Well, I can't seem to manage. I don't even know what's going on now. Oh yeah, end it. Alright, bye guys. I'm an idiot. Okay. I didn't mean to ignore this side, but the light's weird, so pardon that. I hope you could see it. Okay. Bam. Boom. Done. Okay.